Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive straight into learning how to create and manage task dependencies on a timeline. We start by launching our project management tool. This provides us with an overview of our project. It's crucial because it helps us visualize our tasks, their deadlines, and relationships. Next up, we navigate to our project's timeline. Here we can view tasks and their durations. This step is fundamental as it forms the foundation of task dependency creation. Now let's create a task. We click on the Add Task button, fill out the details, and save it. This is the first step in building our task dependencies, each task being a building block of the entire project. The reason we do this is to ensure that the task has been properly defined and can be linked to other tasks. This brings us to our next step, creating a dependency. Click on the task's edge, drag and drop it to the dependent task. The arrow connecting the tasks represents the dependency. This helps us because it shows the sequence of tasks, which is vital in project management. Some tasks can't start until others finish, so visualizing this on the timeline helps us manage our work more effectively. Now that we've done that, let's manage the dependencies. Click on the dependency arrow and adjust the dates if needed. This ensures that our timeline stays accurate and reflects any changes in our project's schedule. Let me explain why this matters. Managing dependencies is vital as it allows us to maintain the flow of the project, adjust to changes, and ensure tasks are completed in the correct order. Finally, regularly review your timeline and update it as needed. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you adjust your tasks and dependencies, you're effectively managing your project, making sure it stays on track and meets its deadlines. And that's it. That's your quick guide on how to create and manage task dependencies on a timeline. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, effective project management is all about staying organized and keeping the big picture in mind.